guys, and welcome back to the kitchen. Cocktails in the kitchen during quarantine. That's our fun little game we're playing here. Today, I apologize, but we are making the Long Island iced tea. It's a drink that probably shouldn't be drank ever. It's a mix of too many things. I feel like typically, I think you should pick a dominant spirit and focus on that. You can, whatever. This mixes everything, but it's the drink we're doing, and we're making the best out of it. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some rum, some Blanco Tequila, some gin, and some vodka, and some triple sec. Then you're gonna need some lemon juice, which I have here. I've pre-juiced my lemons. Some cola, got there. If you don't have lemon juice, you can use a sweet and sour. That's usually what a lot of people use in a bar. I have fresh lemons in my house, so it's a little easier to make lemon juice than simple syrup or sweet and sour. But I do have some simple syrup, so we'll use an ounce of lemon juice and half an ounce of simple syrup, and then a half ounce of every one of these things, equaling 2.5 ounces of liquor in the glass, topped with sour, sweet. And then it actually surprisingly tastes like iced tea, which is really, really weird. I never really noticed that before because I haven't drank a ton of these in my days, especially I don't usually have one sober. But on the podcast, I went in sober-ish and had one, and it tasted like iced tea, so that's kind of fun. Another fun fact, my ice cube trays are in use right now, so we're using the fun ice cubes today. So you get diamonds. Beautiful cold diamonds. So you'll need a pint glass, some ice, and let's make this work. All right. There's our booze. I know I saved you guys the effort of watching me pour every half ounce in there because it's a little tedious. So booze. Now we have an ounce of lemon juice, half ounce simple syrup to balance out all the tartness in that lemon juice, and then we top it with some cola. Give it a little twirl here. And garnish with a lemon, because iced teas give lemons, and it helps. It actually helps the flavor a little bit if you squeeze that lemon. I don't want to drink this, but I'll make someone in my house do it. Love you, baby. Cheers, y'all.